Hello everybody, it is Daniel aka lisboasells here and welcome back to another video. Today we have something very special. We are opening up a Crown Zenith display, tin displays. So we open these up. We have a bunch of the tins that came out when Crown Zenith came out that have like 2 packs each in them. But we got the whole display. I did buy this on TikTok shop. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, I mean, the prices are just so good on there. And if you could find like a good seller, like a authentic seller, then it's really worth it. So I'm gonna open these up. Crown Zenith is such a fun set to open. So I really wanted to do this on the channel. And yeah, let's get into it. I hope you guys like the new setup. I got a new desk and everything, so everything will be different. I could just slide them off. All right. So actually, let me take all the packs out and then we'll open. But just so you guys know it, they come with a poster with facts about a Pokemon, sticker. So let me open all of these up and then we'll get to the pack opening. So be right back. All right, everything is open and we are ready to go. So I believe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20 packs total. So lots of packs to get through. Crown Zenith usually comes with the heat. Probably one of the most fun sets to open. We are going to be searching for, let me see if I can get that lighting nicely. I'm going to be searching for, oh, okay, first hit, Riolu, Trainer Gallery, and a Absol Hollow. Put these to the side. Got our handy dandy sleeves here. But we're going to be looking for the gold cards of the Gen 4 legendaries, obviously. But there's so many cards in here, so lots of good pulls to get through. Let me just stack everything right here. All the pulls I'll leave right there for you guys. All right, let's keep it pushing. The pull rate on this set is usually very high. Usually very fun set to open because of how much stuff you can get. But I haven't done the pack method in so long. I'm so used to not doing it because of Scarlet and Violet. They don't really have that anymore, but it's supposed to be 4 from the back. Get the energy. Chatot, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof, Koffing, Zarude, Lycanroc. Boom. Alright. Crown Zenith, I've been hyping you up saying that you are such a fun set. Honestly, Crown Zenith is still pretty relatively cheap to find compared to everything else in Sword and Shield era that's just been skyrocketing lately. You can find Crown Zenith. Like, I found this whole thing for 70 bucks, 75 bucks. Ooh, we got a big hit here. Adamon, Galarian Gallery, alternate art. That is a great card. I do have it already, but it is quite the beauty. I don't know if these are worth anything. This it is kind of cool, but I'm not too big of a fan of it. But this Adamon card, very fire, very fire. Let me sleeve that up. I'm like 90% sure that needs a hard sleeve, so let me get that ready. I actually have one right in the corner right here, waiting for him. Adamon, get in here. Boom. First pull of the day. Very nice. Oh, first big pull of the day. But yeah, Crown Zenith is relatively cheap to find. Everything else in Sword and Shield has just been getting out of hand, to be honest. And oh my god. Okay, it's only a matter of time before the same thing happens to Crown Zenith. So get it while you can. And it's a very fun set to open. I definitely, no chance of a PSA 10 in any of these cards because I absolutely destroyed them. It's fine, nothing was in it anyways. I have the Arceus gold card. The other 3 have escaped me. Giratina would be lovely. I think Giratina is the most expensive out of them right now. That was so weird. Okay. Maybe we'll do the pack trick. Maybe we'll do the pack trick. Maybe the pack trick will help us. Lightning, Energy Switch, Krokorok, Poniard, Tangela, Baltoy. No, I was like slow rolling it, but yeah, nothing. Alright. I want at least like 2 more big pulls. We bought a whole display tin. Gotta have at least 2 more really good pulls, like above average pulls. And I'll be a happy camper. Bidoof, okay. Thanks, Bidoof. Moving along. I actually love Bidoof. I don't know why I did that. I love Bidoof. I have so many of this Bidoof. I have a whole binder of Bidoof, so I don't feel bad. One of them can be ripped up. It's fine. Oh, Radiant Charger Bug. I've just seen this Radiant Charger Bug too many times in my life for me to care. I'm not gonna let him outshine admin back there. I don't want to be a negative Nancy here, but not a fan of the Radiant Charger Bug, let me tell you. Oh, Kricketot, Glaring Mr. Mime, and Eevee, very cute. I can't even be mad at getting this card. It's very cute one. Boom, leave it back there. Are there V-Maxes in this? No, V-Stars in this? Yeah, it's V-Stars, I think. See if we can get a V-Star. I think, is that good? I don't know what the card codes mean anymore. Lunatone, Solrock, Rare Candy, Yanma, Emolga, very cute. Love Disc, Execute, Switch, Leon, Duraludon V. Get in there. Hide behind Adamon. Alright, the pack trick isn't working. Let's just regular open. There's no logic to this. It's really just luck. There's no Radiant Eternatus. I could have gone to one of you guys for free. That's mean. I'm angry today. No, I'm joking. I'm just tired of seeing those Radiant Pokemon. I'd rather get a V. At that point, I've been watching too much Cool Trainer Ryan, and I'm throwing and flicking things and ripping things. Okay, that's cute. The Entei is actually pretty cool too. Oricorio. Hitting some salsa moves. Very swag. Very cool. Cute card. What are we down to? What do we have left? Got a decent amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Lucky number 7. Alright. That means these last 7 are gonna be big boys. Big hitters. Come on. Wooloo. Do I see something? I see something. I see something. GG41. It's not gold. Woo! Let's go! The Raikou. Let's go. I think my brother really wants this, and I might have to sell it to him. Actually, I don't know. Will I sell? Friends? Oh, double big! I said the lucky number 7. Let's go. Hold on, let me hard save these bad boys. I don't know if his friends in Hisui need a hard save, but Raikou for sure. What a beautiful card that is. Get some shine on that. Hello? Can we get some shine on that? There you go. Look at that. What a beaut. I'm sorry if you guys hear car revving, music in the background. The house behind me is always playing gospel music, like hallelujah type stuff. I don't know, dog. So if you hear that, that's why. There's nothing I can do about it. Like, there's actually nothing. It's the summertime, and that's what they do during the summer. And then the cars, people are whipping out their vehicles with the windows down, and they're having a blast. So I'm gonna let them enjoy it. Who cares if it's at the cost of my video? It's fine. It's fine. Let me hard sleeve this up just in case. But that Raikou, what a pull. There we go. I'm satisfied now. Honestly, that was enough for me to be like, all right. Good enough for me. Good enough opening for me, for sure. No complaints. Quick fire. Sorry, I quick fired. I shouldn't do that on YouTube. I do that sometimes when I'm opening alone, but I just saw it and I'm like, all right, let me just get straight to it. But Electivire, very cute. I do have a few of those, but I don't know. I can never be mad at that card. I like it a lot. So, Krikatot, Chatot, Sunkern. A lot of Gen 4 Pokemon in this, right? Sunkern Gen, no. Chatot, Bidoof, Kricketot. Like, decent amount of Gen 4 there. Alright. Energy Retrieval. Immorga. Lubdisk. Chatot. Yanma. Lubdisk. Taurus. Like the astrological sign. Come on, boys. Let's get the goodies. Ow! Tangela. Baltoy. Luxray. Double. They're only gonna let me walk out with Adamon and Raikou. Can I be mad? Probably not. Probably not. I don't have that Raikou card, so. And the way these alt arts in Sword and Shield have been going, it's only a matter of time. Okay, first V-Star, Zacian. Cool Doggo. Doggo with the sword. We're down to our last pack. No, I did buy 2 of these, but I'm gonna keep the other one, not open it. I'm on my investment journey, on my non-degeneracy journey of opening packs. Or opening everything I get in hand. So yeah. On our last pack, we'll do the pack trick for it. I saw something. I'm not even gonna act like I'm not gonna do a no fake reaction. I saw something. I don't know what it is though. So we're gonna slow roll. It's not a gold card, because I would have seen a gold. Is it in the reverse slot? Oh, it's a double banger. Is that Radiant Eternatus? Oh my god, it's a double banger though. Oh. I mean, it's fine, it's good, but like, I really thought it was something big, like a full, I thought it was a full art. I was trolled. But alright, quick recap for today. Honestly, can't even be mad. Like, look, my hand is pretty full of pulls. Radiant Eternatus, Rotom V-Star, Zacian V-Star, Electivire, Frenzen Hisui, Raikou, arguably the biggest hit of the episode, or Adamon, whichever one you prefer. I think Raikou will take it for me though. Riolu, Absol Hollow, just because my cat's name is Absol. Radiant Charjabug, EVV, Duraludon V, and the Ori Choreo. So yeah, something interesting for you guys. I don't see many people open these type of tins, display tins, like the whole thing on YouTube. So something interesting. Crown Zenith is a very fun set to open. So yeah, just wanted to give something. I was going to open it off camera, but I was like, let me open this on camera and see what happens. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.